the best tiller on earth. With the rear tine tiller attached, BCS is simply the finest gardening machine available. It accomplishes all the jobs you'd expect of a tiller and more. To prepare your soil for planting, BCS tillers dig to a depth of 8 inches. The operator makes multiple passes depending on soil conditions. For example, if you're converting lawn into garden, it takes an extra pass or two to grind the sod into small bits that will quickly decompose. BCS does this more efficiently and creates a more finely textured seedbed than ordinary tillers because its tines rotate at a faster speed. Every time the wheel turns once, the tines have gone through 20 complete revolutions, 50% faster than tillers such as Troy built. Because of all-gear drive, the BCS has a lower center of gravity than its competitors, which makes it more stable in stony conditions. Other features include a geared reverse and quick drop handlebars, which make it easier to maneuver and turn at the end of the row. Because its tines rotate in the forward direction at such a fast speed, the BCS efficiently chops and buries both cover crops and garden residues. Power composting, as it's called, is a great way to increase the organic matter content of your soil, to improve your soil's texture, and to interrupt weed seed cycles. Doing this is demanding and separates the great gardening machines from mere tillers. For example, counter-rotating tine tillers dig dirt, but because their tines rotate up from the soil into the plant material, they're totally incapable of power composting. Here, the BCS is chopping and mixing in tough bush beans in preparation for a fall seeding of rye. In large gardens, the BCS is a great aid in eliminating weed growth between plant rows. With the exception of the Model 710, each BCS tractor has a dedicated cultivating speed of approximately 1.4 miles per hour. At this speed, even large market gardens can be cultivated efficiently. And the tine-to-wheel ratio changes from 20:1 to 10:1. With the tine set at a shallow depth and at the 10:1 ratio, weeds are eliminated. A coarse dirt mulch is created at the surface, and the soil is not over-pulverized. Notice that by offsetting the handles and walking alongside, we're not recompacting the soil just loosened by the tines. And BCS does not leave an untilled strip in the center like other brands of tillers. This is due to its unique planar wedge. In addition, the BCS accommodates a hiller furrower. Easily attached behind the tines, this tool makes rows for planting when the wings are narrowed and hills dirt along the sides of your plants when the wings are widened. Here, we're hilling potatoes on one side and corn on the other. You can even ride your tiller to and from the garden with our optional transport sulky. So, whether you're a commercial grower or gardener, the BCS tiller will help you have a more productive garden in less time with a lot less effort. Help build your soil so that each year's garden will be more successful than the last. And finally, justify the reputation given it by our customers, the best tiller on earth.